talking. That's right. Here you go. Mmm, good food. Is that good, David? What do your feet think? You want some more? You gotta swallow this one. You gotta swallow it. Oh! He keeps putting his foot in.
What?
He keeps putting his foot in his mouth. That's not what you're supposed to eat. Oh, honey, will you go turn off the water? Wait, you gotta swallow some of it. Want some more? We're making a mess, Grandma and Grandpa, because we're about to go take a bath. That's right, baby. Put your fingers in your mouth. That's fine. You want some more? No, you gotta swallow the cereal. Here you go. Do you want some more? Mmm. He's gonna be so disappointed to find out we don't eat our feet with our meal.